Hello everyone, my name is Elena Lucarelli and I'm a project manager with the openSAP team. We're excited to bring you this new openSAP course, SAP Ariba Start Sourcing Starter Kit, to accompany your free access to a subset of the SAP Ariba Sourcing solution, which will help you to quickly and easily find suppliers to fulfill your procurement and supply chain needs. In this course, you learn how to use the SAP Ariba Start Sourcing Kit solution. This starter kit provides step-by-step guidance, starting with an introduction to the solution before moving on to the basics of navigating the solution, including creating, monitoring, and managing sourcing events. The main target audience of this course are procurement application and business consultants, as well as sales and pre-sales experts in the area of sourcing, business network, and supply chain. All of the learning content is now available, and you can get free access to SAP Ariba Start Sourcing and start using it for your business straight away. You can complete the course assignment at any time to earn your record of achievement and digital badge. Enjoy learning how to use the solution step by step to make the most out of your free access.